We have a heck of a day today, working on a transit. There's Frank, everybody. Let's do an introduction, actually.
Oh boy.
You guys missed Frank on the last one. This is Frank.
So I'm Frank Bertholet. Like Steven said, I'm an electrician by trade. I also do the inventory here at Paved To Pines and help Christian with the running of the shop.
Today's checklist.
Pardon?
Dragon's Den announcement. Check.
Are you talking to me?
No. Look at these guys already working away. I don't think we could be luckier with the group of guys we got. They're just always going. Okay, I just found out we got a chair in that we've been waiting for a little bit. I want to see it. Let's go check it out. Whoa. Look at this. JMG system. Whew. That is nice. All crash tested, ready to go. And that is gonna go here. Right there. Not sure if I'm supposed to be in this yet. Just currently working on some renders here. Let's see our next client build. Let's see, that's kitchen, stove, cooktop combo, sink, range hood, big pantry. This is cool, little archway. That's looking front to back, big sitting area. Little couch, there's that archway again, and then matching trim paneling going all the way across the roof there. Another archway in the back, so this is behind the bathroom. We're gonna have bunk beds here. Lights, reading lights all go in there. Wardrobe, master bedroom, and then right about here is a vanity. Right there, full vanity for kids. And separate from the bathroom so that you can be using both spaces while someone's in the shower. Hey! Do we think that bus will start?
Yeah, we can see.
Oh! I just about went down.
So 3 out here. What do you think? Should I try starting with this baby on still?
Minus 30 today in Saskatchewan. It's a treat. How's she looking?
Cold, but not bad. Let's try.
All right, here we go.
It's so
Oh!
damn.
Not even close.
It's better than yesterday.
Yeah! Okay, I think the guys are working on a voltage system here. Getting ready to drop this battery in. I think it weighs.
You want to know the weight?
Yeah, what does it weigh?
238 pounds. And show them where we have to put
Did you let this yourself?
It's impolite to ask how much a person weighs.
Yeah, it's very impolite.
So this is going right here. So he's making a template Frankie's making a template because we only get one shot. 238 pounds. We're gonna probably break something. Alright, Frankie did not get to the Volta today. No 250 pound lift. Had to drill some holes, run some switches. Maybe tomorrow. For all of our American clients, the Dragon's Den is your Shark Tank. That's it. What an experience it was filming Dragon's Den. Rouge and I ended up heading to Edmonton for filming. Thanks to coronavirus, we didn't make it out to Toronto. You know, we were pretty disappointed we didn't get to bring a van in, but instead we put a little video together.
Hey Dragons, a little bummed we couldn't do the van tour in person this year, but we're calling this the Vandemic 2020.
Whoa! I hope you didn't see my Arlene Dickinson. Give me a second here and I'll show you a few more amenities.